Hi everyone, today I'm going to be telling you all the best restaurants in Anjuna Goa. First up is Felix Goa. This place has a restaurant, a bar, a coffee shop and also a co-work space. As you can see, this place has got a very beautiful and a romantic ambience. The food here is also amazing and a must try. Also, the rates are quite reasonable. Check out the whole review video, there will be a link in my description. Next up, I have Orange Boom Cafe, which is a breakfast cafe. This place serves different kinds of breakfast foods, fresh juices and fruits. This place is open from morning to 3 p.m. in the afternoon. Their English breakfast platter is a must try and I absolutely enjoyed it. Also, the rates are good. Next I have the Sparrow restaurant. I really enjoyed the ambience of this place. The rates are good enough and the food is absolutely scrumptious. You can check out my detailed review video on this place and order exactly what I had eaten, and I promise you will enjoy it. Alright, next up I have Mahe Goa, which serves modern coastal cuisine. Just look at the decoration and the ambience of this place, guys. It's lovely. The food is also very different and unique as compared to what other restaurants served, and I really enjoyed myself here. Next I have Goas Ark. Now this is a place that I absolutely fell in love with. The place, the owners, the food, all are amazing. The food is absolutely mouth-watering and heavenly, especially their barbecue wings and their chicken teriyaki. So that's all I have for you guys in my today's video. Like, share and subscribe. Bye.